Hello guys, welcome to the day 10 of our coding challenge series, and today we are solving this problem, which is intersection of two arrays. So the question is like, given two integer arrays nums1 and nums2, return an array of their intersection. Each element in the result must be unique and you may return the result in any order. And example 1 says that input nums1 is equals to 1 2 2 1 and nums2 is 2 and 2. So since 2 is common among both arrays, so we output 2. But we don't output 2 twice because the array should be unique and shouldn't contain repeated values. So let's solve this problem. So I'll try to first of all create a array list so that I could store the interacted values in the array list, so that also to check if it's unique. Okay, array list integer list, we can say list unique equals to new array list, and then create for loop. nums1 dot length I plus plus, and then I'll just simply copy this for nums2 array. nums2 dot length j plus plus, and then what I can do is I can check if nums1 at position I is equals to nums2 at position j, and we need to also check, since we want the list to contain unique characters, or sorry, unique integer values, so we will also do and list unique dot contains, if list dot unique contains nums1 I, but yeah, it shouldn't contain, so that should be true, so I'll put an exclamation mark here. So list unique dot contains nums1 dot I. If that's so we will not if it doesn't contains, if the list doesn't contains the value 2, so then we will enter. If it contains, otherwise this if conditions would be skipped. Okay, so if that's the case, so I'll just simply add list dot unique dot add nums1 I, and after doing this, after adding the unique intersected values in the list, we need to return it, but of course we need to return an integer array, not a list. So I'll convert the list back to an integer array, but so for that I'll of course create a new integer array. Let's call this return array, new integer array, with it will contain the size of list unique, the length of the list. So okay, so we give it the size of the list as length, and then run a loop over the list. Sorry, dot size, and then put each value into it. List unique dot get I. So we are putting each value from the list into the return array, and then simply return the array. Let's run this. Okay, so the test cases have been accepted. Now let's submit the solution. Okay, so we got 7 milliseconds of runtime. I hope you guys understood the solution, and if you have any questions you can ask them in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video.